Hello folks, I'd just like to talk about something, well, about a discussion that I was having with a client just the other day, and the topic is on training, which is quite a vast topic when you think about it. She had a lovely 10-month-old German Shepherd dog, and up until then, absolutely no complaints at all. Life was good with her dog. She enjoyed walks with her dog. Everything was hunky-dory. All of a sudden, just after the 9 months of age mark, her dog was reacting strongly towards other dogs. And in a couple of incidents, it resulted in what I would call heavy sparring with a dog. Not the same dog, different dogs on different occasions. Now, I understand as much as anyone out there in the training field who have worked with owners in behaviour training with their dogs, how much time and mental investment it takes to begin and maintain behavioural training for a dog that has issues of some sort. Now, training is a vast topic, but one mainstay within that topic is that dogs should have that education from you where possible, not just or only when you start to see problems arise, because good education, good training ensures that you have a training relationship with your dog. And it's the foundation of your communication with your dog, of teaching behaviours, establishing rules and boundaries within those behaviours, but getting reliability and a degree. Up. Tally here. Tally here. She's just pondering down by the water there. Come in. Atta gal. Atta gal. And how much management is needed as well. If the owner has not invested in behaviour training, in foundational training, it makes behaviour training all the much harder because of the stress involved, because of the degree and level that the behaviour is at, and beginning those foundational behaviours and training them are an absolute necessity. They are an absolute must, because behavioural training can be complex, it can be volatile and dependent on the environment. It can demand a lot from the owner of the dog. And although management is essential, counter conditioning, building confidence, understanding how behaviour works, how dogs learn, how their own particular dog learns, and the relationship that the owner has with the dog are absolutely vital. Tally, come in. Come in. Atta gal. Atta gal. Atta gal. Just trying to manage Tally's movement there while I record this video. Please invest in foundational training for your dog. It does so much in not only laying foundations, but also creating what your standards are. And your standards are important, so that your dog knows what is expected of it and what you will do about it when the dog doesn't cooperate with what you want it to do. If you're starting at a behavioral training level, especially with reactivity, it can be difficult. And you may not have had your dog since puppy. You may have just gotten yourself a rescue dog or something along those lines. Nevertheless, don't just get a dog and not think about training the dog at all. Because education promotes safety. It builds stronger behaviors. It creates reliability. And it gives your dog a strategy in knowing what to do when a situation is challenging for it. Because dogs don't always make good decisions. Tally, come. Come in, lass. Come in, lass. Atta gal. Atta gal. Come in, come in, come in, come on. You're getting tired. You're getting tired. But it's so important for your own mental endurance in investing in a training program that you have the basics, and we always work at the basics. We always work at maintaining the basics, that you have them up to a good, well-oiled level. By well-oiled, I mean that you just maintain those behaviors and you practice them regularly.